Hey everybody, Super Hedge Man here, and we're going to give you the market update for August 10th, 2010. We've been looking at a lot of different things, technicals, fundamentals, human aspects, and then we've even thrown a little bit of the astrology guys into our mix as well because they are market players. We've got fundamental guys, they're looking for a little bit slower growth now. We found that out from the Fed's meeting here, and they basically said rates were going to be unchanged and that they were going to start taking their principal and buying treasuries. What that means is that we're going to be in a little bit of a longer recession than what people are hoping for. So now we'll go look at some of the charts. We've got the Dow, which is the big one everyone loves to watch, the Dow. We've got the Dow was down today 54 points, but it fell based off of the data that came out in China. Same with the S&P, IWM, everything fell this morning. Actually, it was late last night that everything wanted to go down because of the slowing down in some of the Chinese areas of growth. So we've got that. We've got China slowing, we've got the US slowing, and then we've got oil expected to rise here but there's been less of a demand for that, so that might take that down too. We've got a lot of mixed players here in this market. We've got a lot of people thinking that the technicals are ready to short, ready to fall. We got fundamental guys wanting more because they might not have got out at the last peak back in April, May, the beginning of the May. So what's going to happen here? Well, the market has a lot of downward pressure. We saw that today. So I think we're going to probably test July's low again, test it out, and depending on kind of what's going on around that area is where I believe that the market will figure out what it's going to do, if we're going to go into a deeper recession and make a double dip, or if we're going to continue on with a nice slow growth pace that we have been. So that'll be all interesting. It's really up to some of the legislation that's coming out here soon. We got to make sure that we give businesses the opportunities that they need to create business. So if they want to continue stimulus and do some tax cutting, especially that keep the capital gains tax, then I believe that we'll have a good roll on an upwards economy. But until they do that, we're going to be struggling. We're going to remain pretty volatile, probably somewhere around where we are now, 100-point moves throughout days. And that's it for the trade on August 10th. Hopefully we're holding TZA long. That's the ultra short IWM position. So we'll see how that plays out. Have a good night, everyone, and we'll talk to you soon.